Hi all, this is N. Samira and today's topic is Bayesian classification. Bayesian classifiers predict class membership probabilities such as the probability that a given tuple belongs to a particular class or not. Bayes classifiers have exhibited high accuracy and speed when applied to large databases. Coming to Bayesian classifier, it's a very simple Bayesian classifier and it assumes the class conditional independence of the attributes. So which says that the effect of an attribute is independent of another with respect to the class. Whereas that assumption is not there in case of Bayesian belief networks. So this Bayesian classification is based on Bayes' theorem. So what is meant by Bayes' theorem? It is a mathematical formula for determining the conditional probability and which is given as P of h by x is equal to P of x by h, P of h by P of x, where this x is the tuple, data tuple, and h is the hypothesis, which says that x belongs to the class Ci. And this P of x by h is the posterior probability of the tuple given h, and P of h is the prior probability of the h, and P of x is the prior probability of the x. And coming to the Bayesian classification. What is this Bayesian classifier? So Bayesian classifier. So for a tuple x, Bayesian classifier assigns the class to a tuple which is having the highest posterior probability conditioned on x. So it assigns the class having the highest posterior probability. Conditioned on x. So that means what is the posterior probability? What is the posterior probability? So P of Ci x. So if a tuple x belongs to the class, if a tuple x belongs to the class Ci, if and only if the posterior probability of the class given the tuple should be greater than the posterior probability of remaining all the classes given the tuple for 1 less than or equal to j less than or equal to m and j not equal to I. This is the condition where this m is the number of classes. M is the total number of classes we are having. So now what is meant by this P of Ci by x? What is meant by P of Ci by x? So from Bayes' theorem, this P of Ci by x is nothing but P of x by Ci, P of Ci by P of x. So here now what is our task? We need to maximize this P of x, P of Ci by x. Let us say for example we are having 3 classes. Let us say for example we are having 3 classes. So the set of classes are some red is a class and green is a class and yellow is another class. We are having 3 classes. So in order to determine the tuple x belongs to which class, the tuple x belongs to which class, to determine this using Bayesian classifier, we need to calculate the posterior probability of each and every class given the x. So what we need to do, we need to calculate this posterior probability of red given x, and we need to calculate posterior probability of green given x, and we need to calculate posterior probability of yellow given x. So what is the formula? P of this x by red, P of Ci by P of x, we need to calculate. Similarly, P of x by green, P of Ci by P of X we need to calculate. So this Ci, in terms of Ci, here is red and here is green. And again, P of X by LO and P of LO by P of X we need to calculate. So after calculating these three, we need to compare these three quantities, and which is having the highest value, that class we can assign X. So if you see here, to compare the quantities, since this denominator P of X is constant here, if you observe, this denominator P of X is constant. This is same for all quantities. So no need to consider this P of X in the calculation. So now our problem scope is reduced to find out only the numerator. So we can write the same like this. So if you say that the tuple X belongs to the class Ci, if and only if P of X by Ci, P of Ci should be greater than P of X by Cj, P of Cj for 1 less than or equal to j less than or equal to m, j not equal to I, where m is the number of classes. So now our problem scope is reduced to this one. So now we need to calculate P of X by Ci and P of Ci. P of Ci we need to calculate. So we already know. Posterior prior probability of the class. So the prior probability of the class is given by mod Cid mod Cid by mod D. So where this mod Cid is nothing but total number of tuples belonging to the tuples in the data set belonging to the class Ci, and mod D is nothing but total number of the tuples in the data set. So now our task is to find out this P of X by Ci. Now we need to calculate P of X by Ci. So if the given data set is with many attributes, it would be computationally expensive to compute it. So hence, class conditional independence is assumed by the Navy-Bayesian classifier. So Navy-Bayesian classifier assumes class conditional independence. So what is this class conditional independence? So it assumes that attributes are independent of each other with respect to the class. So since all the attributes are independent of each other, so this can be written as that means, so here this can be written as P of X by Ci is equal to P of X1 by Ci into P of X2 by Ci and so on into P of Xk by Ci. So what is this X1, X2, so on and Xk? All these are the attribute values. Let us say Xk is the value of the attribute Ak. So now this is the expansion. This is because the Navy-Bayesian classifier assumes the class conditional independence. So now how to calculate this Xk P of how to calculate this P of Xk by Ci, P of Xk by Ci. So that is purely based on whether this Ak is continuous valued or categorical. So that is purely based on whether this Ak is continuous valued or this is categorical value. So if Ak is continuous valued attribute, so a continuous valued attribute is typically assumed to have a Gaussian distribution here. So if Ak is categorical, then this P of Xk by Ci is the number of tuples of class Ci in D having the value Xk for Ak by the number of tuples of the class Ci in D. So in such way we can calculate the process of in such way we can assign the class value. That means in such way we can evaluate the value of this P of x by Ci you can evaluate, and this particular value you can evaluate with by using this particular formula, and by multiplying these two quantities, this is 1 and this is 2, by multiplying these two quantities we can able to get the value of the conditional probability. So like this we need to calculate the conditional probabilities of each and every class with respect to the given tuple, and the one which is having the highest value is assigned to that particular tuple. And the example of the navigation classifier will be explained in the next presentation. Thank you so much. Please watch the next presentation also.